Hello everyone friends, this is Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to find or view your email password. I'll show you this on iPhone. By the way, there's an app called Passwords. You can check it there. Now, if it's a computer, there are two options. In your browser, sometimes you can click the three dots, click settings, click privacy, or rather autofill passwords, and just view your passwords there. There you go. And here, for example, I have a Microsoft password. So if I go in there, I'll have my password right here. You can also check through Google. To do this, go to Google, click on your account, click Manage Google Account, then click Google Passwords. Well, enter your password to access this section, and accordingly, oh, this is just password change. Sorry, hold on, I'll find it. Here's the password manager. There it is. And here too you'll find all your passwords. Specifically in Google Chrome. Yes, here they're synced with your Google account. You can also check other Google accounts. And besides that, try another browser you've used. There might be a password manager there with your old password. That's it. If this doesn't help, then you'll need to contact tech support for your specific email service with proof that this email address belonged to you and recover it that way, manually. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing everyone a good life. Good luck to all. Bye everyone.